So here is Needu's kitchen. Let's start briefing. What is this?
Oh, I am making white sauce pasta, and this is a white sauce. It's a mix of milk and little Maida with butter. And I have a boiled macaroni is ready for pasta.
Okay.
This is just boiled in a little salt and little oil, and then this is how we can add it. And then I also garnished. See, this is one of my favorite. And then once it is soaked in this creamy, milky sauce, and it will turn yummy once it is little heated. Now we are ready to go with all veggies.
Okay.
So since this is a late night, I am not adding all veggies. I have onion, capsicum and garlic.
Okay.
It looks colorful, green and white.
It looks tasty too.
Yes. And you just need to add salt and pepper and oregano and chili flakes as per your taste, and this is good to go. Little oregano to it because herbs gives a special Italian taste to it. So I like oregano. You can add as per your taste, and a little chili flakes because South Indians do love chili, so I'm adding a little chili flakes. Yes, so we are good to go with white sauce pasta.